coming into the corkscrew. He's braking late. Oh, such a new lap record.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. A month ago, this car was fun. Now, it won't even start. And when it does, it's boom, boom, boom. When I pull out of the driveway, the dog has a heart attack. All I'm asking is for you to make it like it was.
Yeah, you've coked up the inlet valves and the plugs. Nothing wrong with the car. It's the way it's being driven.
The way it's being driven.
Too much fuel, not enough spark. That's what's making a misfire.
You want to run that by me in English?
All right, sir. So, that is a sport car. You have to drive her like a sport car. If you drive her like a school teacher, she'll clog up. All right, try changing up at 5,000 RPM, not 2. Drive like you mean it. Hard, tight. She'll run clean.
Are you telling me I don't know how to drive my own car?
No. But if you ask me, this isn't your car. Your car's more Plymouth Studebaker.
You and me have a problem, buddy?
I don't have a problem. I had an MG, mine ran just fine.
Screw you, you limey prick. I want my money back.
Oh, behave. I'll give it to you. But you haven't paid for last month's service
This
yet.
country, the customer's always right. You ever hear that?
Yeah.
Such a nonsense.
Now remember, advance the time.